Now, again, refraction of light. When you have to view something in water, for example. Let's say I have a coin here at the base of a tank of water. I have water, I have air. Again, air less dense medium, water denser medium. I have a coin here. I have someone looking at the coin. So this is the position of the eye, looking at the coin in water. Now you should be able to draw a ray diagram to show how the person sees the coin in water. First thing, let's say I draw a ray of light from here. Okay, a ray of light starting from here at the left of the coin. Now you have a ray of light coming from the coin, going upward, from water to air. Again, from denser to less dense medium. So, if this one is the incident ray, the refracted ray will be bent away from the normal, because it is from denser to less dense medium. So, if I try to draw a normal here, so it is bent away from the normal. So, you can see you have a ray of light starting from the coin, going towards the eye. You have a ray here, because there is a changing medium of different densities. You have water which is denser, air is less dense. The refracted ray is bent away from the normal. So this is the normal. It is bent away from the normal. Now, just remember one thing. When you have to draw rays of light, the rays always enter the eye. This is how we see things around us. The rays of light enters our eye. Then we'll have an image formed at the back of the eye. For example, if you can see a table in front of you, it's due to light reflecting from the table and then entering your eyes. Then you can see the table. Similarly, here, to be able to see the coin, the rays of light should enter the eye of the person. So, this is how we draw the ray of light. Now, if I want to draw a second one, I can as well, for example, from here to draw, etc. But for now, I just drew one ray of light to show you what happens when it moves from water to air. Now, if I have to draw the image of the coin, what I do, I just extend this with dotted line, and the coin will be formed here. Now, while I'm drawing this line with dotted line, even the image with dotted line, here, it's not necessary when you have to draw for the exam, but I'm showing it as dotted line. Because all things that are imaginary, they are drawn with dotted lines. Now, the coin is here, but I'm seeing it here. So when you look into the water, you never see the coin at the bottom here. You will see it at a height nearer to the surface of the water. Even the base of the tank will be formed here. This is how we will see it. But in reality, the coin is here, but we see it to a higher position. So this is called the image of the coin. You can see the image is higher and a bit to the left here, because the person's eyes is here. So when he or she sees the coin, the position will be on this side. If the eye is here, the coin will be from higher and to the right. So this is for one ray of light. You can draw a second one. For example, if you draw something like this here, and again to the eye, you can do it. Because in some question, you are told to draw rays of light. If you are told to draw rays of light, then you have to draw at least two. Here I'm drawing only one just to show you the way the ray is going to the eye. Then where we find the image of the coin, higher and a bit to the left. So this is how we can see things in water. Now, if you view a tank of water, you always see it shallower. That is, it is less deep compared to reality. Even for a swimming pool, when you look into the swimming pool, you will see that it is shallow, it is not deep, but this is just imaginary because the image is higher up. Even for a fish or for a coin, etc., you always see it nearer to the surface of the water.